Hey guys, so basically this is my first outing on the boat. Windy, shouldn't be out on it, but hey ho.
It's warming the engine up.
Well, I say shouldn't be out on it. Not going to be comfortable, it is a speedboat. Not the most practical fishing platform. But like I said, I've not been on it yet this year. Or I hadn't until this video. Literally just wanted to get out. Just wanted to get out, make sure everything was running alright. It's just had a service, it's had a load of work done. So yeah, I took it down the slip at the boatyard that it's at, and yeah, lasted about 2 hours, and yeah, caught a few fish. So what I'd done is I'd taken the back seats out. It's got big leather seats that the family usually use. Mackerel guts and shit like that don't look good on it. And what I'm doing here in the video is trying to attach a light, because we were planning to stay out a bit longer, but the cable ties weren't working. We didn't need it anyway because we were in before it got dark. So yeah, hey ho, see what happens. Just planning to do a bit of feathering really, a couple of soft plastics and some lures, some inshore reefs and a wreck. Literally within a few miles of the end of the breakwater. Yeah, let's get going.
When in doubt, get the fucking gaffer tape out. Bit choppy out here, boys. Just having a bash on the clipper for a minute, see if there's any pollock about. I knew coming out in this wind wouldn't be brilliant, but we just wanted to get out on the fucking boat. I'm gonna brave it and get over to Langdon's Rock, I think. Put some lures on, see if there's any bass about. Knock the engine off. 3 minutes of drifting before it pushes us straight over this.
Yes.
You in?
Yeah.
Strike it there. Yeah, that's a fish, come on.
Mackerel in it.
Mackerel. Tom's got a mackerel.
How you do it?
I know,
Yeah, let's go.
Mackerel for Cam. Get it off and get straight back down, mate. Get the net bucket. Is that on the bottom?
Yeah, and what I'm just doing is putting it more towards me.
At least I know the bilge pump's still working. So it's blown us straight back over the reef now. I think it might be running a bit too fast to go to Langdon. Yeah, hey, there we go. Feels like mackerel. What have we got? Single mackerel, I think. Ah, pollock. Nice pollock.
Fucking hell, this is a good one. This is well like about 4 popping for the big pot one. This is well mackerel.
Pollock. What have we got? Oh, double shot of pollock here for Cam, bring it here. Madness, boys.
Hit the pollock now.
Right, get them on up, get it straight back down. Must be just going over the edge of the reef then, eh? That was a hit. Come on. Got a bit of a hit then. I think when we had them, slightly more to the right there. Should drift over it again in a minute, I guess.
Probably, yeah.
More that way, isn't it? Towards the sun. Big reef there. I think the clipper is a reef. It might be a small red.
Might be.
I think the clipper is a reef off the window.
There's a jellyfish.
Stick some baited feathers down maybe in a minute.
Probably the Ross or something. I'm just trying to have a pollock.
That's a fish. There we go.
Got it.
Yeah. Not a big one. Not a big one. Might be a mackerel or a small pollock.
Mackerel, probably.
Little pollock. Ah, he's perfect bait size though.
What's he got? That's out.
Might stick a sidewinder on so we can pick out the bigger pollock.
Oh, there's soup down here as well.
Possibly.
If you find a good bait, it might be much better to see if you can fucking pull us.
That was a fish.
What?
That was a fish.
You're still using them prawn ones?
Yeah?
You're still using them prawn ones?
Small pollock that. Smacking at it. Put a couple of rods there. There we go. Oh, he's off. Go on then. This is a fish, it's tiny.
Little pollock must probably the same as that. Pollock all
Nope,
white.
nothing. Right down there.
Shit, stuck in the water.
It's getting stuck, just give it a couple of lines.
It's
And
not
it'll
like stuck, it's just like bound. You know what
Oh, that was a nice pull.
I mean? Or is that down the side of the boat?
Ah,
Fucking hell. That's it. Yeah.
no, luckily. Oh, that's a fish. That feels like mackerel, that.
Probably.
No, a small pollock, I think.
I'll try it down the side of the boat. Same size.
Taupe size pollock.
Same nice size one as well.
They're hitting it straight away. If they're that small, they're just not able to actually get a fucking lure in.
Probably.
set of sabikis might catch them, yeah?
Yeah. Or maybe mackerel, they hit it different as well. Mackerel might
Oh,
have
mackerel
as
will take them bigger ones that we've got. There we go. Oh, this is either two small ones or a slightly bigger one.
bigger ones probably. Oh yeah. Decent size.
Two smaller ones. Probably enough bait that now.
Just need enough eating bait now.
Sweat.
That's what's fucking doing me as well. They keep getting me in the
You in?
pulling. I'm gonna try and move it some more in the middle of it.
It doesn't make a difference, mate. You're over a reef. Come on, bigger pollock. Start this drift again in a minute. Yeah, that's enough bait, that I think. Pollock anyway. Oh, fucking hell.
What?
So it just hit that then. That's what my fucking feathers, I think.
Fucking big mackerel probably.
That was a... Snap my fucking trays in half.
Stuff you like.
Chuck us another lead out of your bag. Fucking hell. That hit like a fucking train. There's some serious swell out here. Got the nose up, just trying to stop the splashing. It's trimmed right up. We're now at the Bolivar. So we're running far too much to get to Langdon's. Move over, boy. To get some rod rests on this fucking thing. We've done Clipperer. We're now at Bolivar. After this, I don't know, maybe try and... Oh, straight in. There we go. Go on then. Mackerel, there we go. That's what we want. We want the mackerel now. We don't want the smaller pollock. But if you can see the Bolivar boy behind us. Oh, we are moving quick now. Oh, mackerel. Are you in? Cam's got some mackerel out.
Well, maybe.
No, what's that? What's he got? What's he got? String of mackerel. Get him in, boy.
Fucking hell.
3, 4, is it?
3.
Show the camera. Well done, boy. Perfect bait size them as well. Left your rig in a bit of a shit state, but
Left them a bit of needles.
if you untangle, I'd just stick a new rig straight on that, mate, and then sort that out another time.
Yeah. Can't fucking like full on like nose dived into the fucking thing.
We'll try another run of this one. Don't seem to be too much on that at the minute, actually.
What? Lucky.
So there don't seem to be holding many fish there actually. So give it one more run. Our cam's resetting, and then tied on properly, yeah?
I'm not inside it on yet.
It'll be good then.
The shit that the
I think we're moving far too quick. This tide's moving far too quick to stick a lure down. Might try it. But if you can see the Bolivar here. I think this is a Bolivar. I'll turn around so you can.
Yeah, I think it is.
Is that the Bolivar?
Yeah. I think so.
Try the other side of it now. See which side of it they're holding. Right, give that a try.
Is that alright, yeah? There's another one here, look.
Yeah. So we're going around the back end of it now. See if this is where they're hiding out. Camp your side. Straight away. Ah, you bastard. What's that? What's that? Mackerel, I think.
That's a good fight for mackerel,
Oh, I
yeah.
don't know.
Mackerel.
If it is mackerel, have you got some?
No, I only just dropped down.
Ah, nice string of 3 Oh, there was 3. It seems to be right over the buoy there. There you go. Cam's got some there. Yeah? Getting into plenty of mackerel out here.
There's another one in the end of the thingy.
Yeah, so I'll get it out in a minute.
That's a good little bait one, that. Okay, good bait size, that.
Only one idiot here who's got a carpeted boat. A grey, creamy carpeted boat. Mackerel feather, mackerel guts and blood. Don't look good on it.
Not much from the fingertips on it.
And I think as quickly as they came, I think we're over the shoal now. Hmm?
Got another hit, have you? Huh?
I'll have to move back over, I think.
You're near it now, yeah?
Yeah. See how long it takes to get one now. Now we're on the mark.
Got another hit in the fucking second.
The boat's about to hit the oh shit! Oh, I don't think that is alright actually, Cam, no. Oh shit, hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we hit it.
That's swinging around it.
Still hitting it. There we go, we're off it. There's no polyp down the bottom, to be fair.
I don't know, maybe. You might have to hit that fucking seaweed reef again.
You can tell when the mackerel are in. Look at all the scales on that. Fucking minging. Get Cameron to give it a clean for me. Try another drift. I'm still not sold on not having a fish finder, so once I've sorted the wires out on it tonight, I'm going to be go straight back in the morning. Just picked something up then as we were coming past.
Nice pollock.
Pollock there. And that's the only pollock we picked up off the Bolivar. The rest have been mackerel.
Must be a big shoulder.
So if you can see in the background, we actually did make it to Langdon's. It's about 5 mile out. 3 minutes maximum. It was absolutely swelly as fuck. Turns out it wasn't the Bolivar we were fishing before. Should have known it wasn't. But yeah, caught nothing from here on in. So, but yeah, nice to get out. So yeah, made it back into Hollywood Marina before it got dark. It was swelly on the way back in, both got a bit wet. But yeah, see you next time.